Yo, what's up mga ka-free dive? It's me again, Lee Jansen Bungabong on Instagram, John Michael B. Aton on Facebook, and my TikTok account. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys sa client natin. Kasi bakit? She's a doctor by profession. She came all the way from Baguio para lang po sa free diving. So, it's a big challenge for us, no? Kasi bakit? Yung binook niya, introduction into free diving and fun dive. So, it's like hitting two birds in one stone. So, as what I have said a while ago, it's kind of very challenging for us, no? Kasi bakit? Dalawa pong binook niya and we don't want our client or our student, no, na ma-disappoint po. So, as much as possible, gagawin ho namin lahat para po matuto yung mga student natin. So, imagine the doctor naging student natin. Well, at this point, ayun, I don't know if nakikita niyo ho dan. So, at this point, pinalangoy-langoy po natin sa surface yung student natin para ho ma-adapt niya po yung naka-float lang po, no, sa surface habang gamit po yung snorkel. Kasi bakit? Ito po yung preparatory para po sa pag-start natin na magturo ng duck dive. So as you can see ho, ayan, it's very struggle ho talaga, no? So isa po sa struggle po in free diving, yung pagtuturo ho ng duck dive. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga wala ho talagang experience, no? Katulad po nito ni doktora. I don't want to mention her name. Let's keep it confidential. Ayun. So, ayun. So, nakikita niyo naman ho, no? Kung gaano ho struggle po para po sa student natin this time. But later on, I'm gonna show you kung ano po yung progress, no? And like, this is only a couple of hours, no? From introduction, tapos Fanday Bagad. So, ayan na po. It's a very satisfying na video po. Kasi bakit? Yung non-swimmer po. And to think na she's a professional, but she became our student, and it's very cool, no? It's kind of very fulfilling kasi bakit? Ayun, we are not professional enough, no? Na mag-handle po sa student, lalo-lalo na po na may mataas po na pinag-aralan, no? Kasi bakit? We didn't even finish in college, but yeah, that's very cool kasi bakit? At least man lang, naalala po tayo ng mga student natin na nandahil sa atin, natututo ho silang lumangoy. Ayun. So, it's so nice. And at this very moment, I should say we are so proud of ourselves. Kasi bakit? Ayun, kita nyo naman ho kanina kung gaano po ka-struggle po para ho sa student natin na mag-duck dive, no? So, like, she's a non-swimmer talaga, 100% non-swimmer. And kita niyo naman po kung ano po yung progress. And yeah, so we are so proud of ourselves kasi bakit alam namin and every student po, as much as possible, ginagawa ho namin lahat para po matuto po yung student natin para at least man lang alam namin na worth it po yung ginastos nila. Imagine, they came all the way from different provinces here in the Philippines and then yun, siyempre gagastos sila, gastos pa sa amin, gastos pa sa pamasahe, barko man o airplane. So, yun nga. So, as much as possible, gagawin ho namin lahat para po matuto po yung lahat ng mga student na nag-e-enroll sa amin. So, I think the video is about to finish. So, before I end this video, let me invite you po sa page po namin, sa lahat po ng gusto po mag-try ng free diving, gusto hong matuto, no? Kahit non-swimmer ka po, we got you po. As in, halos lahat po ng mga nag intro sa amin ay mga non-swimmer po. Diving, it's an art of relaxation. So, syempre, meron po tayong dalawang session, like theory session, tsaka open water session. So, sa theory pa lang po, tinuturo na ho namin lahat kung ano po ang mga dapat gawin at hindi ho dapat gawin. So, no wonder po na pag nag-open water session na kami, natututo talaga yung mga student. And we are thankful po sa lahat po ng mga student na naging parte ho yung Kauban Free Diving, no? Sa inyong underwater journey po. So, again ho, yung Kauban Free Diving po, you can message us to our Facebook page o kaya naman sa Instagram natin or you can comment down below, or you can message me directly po. And just to let you know, sa Kauban Freediving po, we offer multi course like wave courses. We have like introduction to freediving, line training, safety bodying, even fun dive po. So just feel free po to message us, and we look forward to be part of your underwater journey. See you.